our activity, basically the students will have a twofold experience. The first hand, they will be working on simulations on quantum mechanics, so will be acquired to the main concepts of quantum mechanics like quantum superposition and entanglement, that are the basic tools nowadays for the new search on quantum technologies.
You learn some coding in order to simulate the quantum physics and learn more about the quantum mechanics in our project.
And here we have one of the main experimental setup. This one is for measuring the Wellen inequalities in pair of entangled photons. And this setup will be very useful for understanding and comprehend the theory of quantum entanglement that nowadays is very useful in quantum technologies, such as quantum key distribution or quantum teleportation.
And in this project, in the Entanglement project, you will be performing with coding. You will learn to code in Python, and with this learning and with these techniques of coding, you will perform some numerical simulations of the Bell inequalities that will help you to understand the basics of the theory of entanglement.
And in this quantum entanglement and superposition, how quantum mechanics help us to understand the universe, you will start from scratch to learn the basics of maths and physics and entanglement, and then you will reach the level to understand the Nobel Prize that was awarded in 2022 to the Bell inequalities and how this world is not ruled by hidden variables and is ruled by this causality and non-locality part of the entanglement.
The students will be embedded in a very young group in our institute, and they will be basically going from the lab to the computer room to normal classrooms where they will get also lectures.